Hey, what's going on guys? Added here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a very basic GUI in Python. So let's get started. First, we import tkinter. Now, tkinter is a pre-installed module in Python. So first, what we're gonna do is name a variable and set it equal to tk. Wait, sorry, I forgot one thing. Import tkinter as tk. Now this makes it a whole lot easier, and you'll see why. So let's start. We'll make a variable called root, set it equal to tk dot tk. Sorry. Now, and then after that we do root dot main loop. Now if we didn't have tkinter over here, if we didn't import it as tk, then we would have to write this each and every time we started a new object. So let's run this, and there you go, you made your first GUI. But it's bland and it has no use, so we'll make it a whole lot better. If you want to give it a title, just do root.title and then name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it tutorial GUI. And then you have to make a canvas. Now, yeah, you have to make a canvas, set it equal to tk.canvas and call it. Once you call it, you have to give it elements. So root, which means it will be on the root, and then you have to give it a width. So width is equal to let's put 500, height equal to 500, bg color equal to let's put light green. Please ignore the sounds in the background. Yeah, and then yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, and then you do canvas dot pack. Now this sets it on the screen. We'll see if it works. Yeah, there we go. There's your GUI. Now we have to make a frame. This frame will be where our buttons are gonna go. Frame is equal to tk.frame. Call it, and then you have a bunch of attributes or elements in frame, but you'll see when we're gonna use that. So for now we'll just do bg is equal to let's say blue. Now we're not adding any attributes here like we did for the canvas over here. In fact, we're gonna have another line, and instead of writing frame.pack, we're gonna use frame.place. Now remember, in tkinter I make this mistake a lot, or used to anyways. I used to do frame.pack and then do frame.place, or if I'm using a button, I used to do button.pack and then button.grid. You're not supposed to do that. Pack has an alternative, place, and then you have grid. Grid is mainly for the buttons. So now we have to place it on the canvas, right? On the root. So we'll do rel width is equal to 0.8, rel height is equal to 0.8, and then we'll do rel x equal to 0.1, rel y equal to 0.1. Now let's run this. So if you guys also, just as a to tell you guys, let's run this first. As you can see, the blue is a bit jarring, so if you want, you can change it with gray, or you can go to Google and choose a color. Now get the hexadecimal color. So I already got mine. Control V, and there, that blue is a little bit less jarring and easier to see. Now we need the buttons, right? So we'll name a variable called button is equal to tk.button, and then we'll add it on the frame, and then we'll keep text equal to open let's do open calculator. and you'll see why in a second. After that, we'll do FG equals white, BG equals let's do gray, and then we'll do command equals. Now we'll have to write the command, but if you want to open a software in Python, you need this module called subprocess. So we'll import subprocess. Now note, all of this is available when you download Python. You don't have to go to CMD and download it separately. So let's go ahead, let's create the command. We'll define it. So we'll define open calculator. Then we'll do subprocess dot capital P open, call it, and inside it you do calc dot exe. Okay, and then we'll put this on a grid. So button dot grid, row equals 0, column equals 0. Let's save it and run it. Okay. Okay, we have invalid. Okay, fine. Open calculator. There we go. Run it, and you see it's on the frame. We run it. There we go. You open your first program using Python. Okay, so you can play around with this, and it's a very simple GUI. Its syntax is also quite easy to understand. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I guess it was kind of short. And hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos by hitting the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.